to Christmas. I cannot believe it. Anyway, as we move on, a Twitter post about an old game caught our eye, and when we made contact, we learned about a friendship and this historical game called Mancala. Joining us now via Zoom, astrologer Dalma Kishignax and also local artist Andre Hudson. Good morning to you both, and thank you for joining us on Smile Jamaica.
Good morning, Simone.
Good morning.
Hi,
Thank you for
Dalma,
having
I'm going to
us.
start with you. Good to have you. Dalma, how did you end up here in Jamaica? You're born in Hungary. You are now here as an adopted Jamaican. How did you end up here?
Thank you for having me on the show. I have moved here 18 years ago. My husband, I married a Jamaican. So I also became a Jamaican citizen.
Okay, and you are an astrologer. Does that mean
Yes,
like you predict our...
I recently took up astrology 10 years ago or so.
Okay, and what do you do as an astrologer? Trying to get into your art.
Okay. So astrology is really energy patterns and the energies we're born with and the planets that we have. We are stuck in a solar system. We are a part of nature. The cosmos and the space is also a part of nature, although it's out there. So the planets in our solar system have a fundamental effect on human life, planetary life. If you observe nature, you know that the moon affects tidal waves and lots of other life form, plants, animals. So we have come to observe these things over a long period of time. And this is a knowledge that was lost. We had more books. During human history, libraries was burned, knowledge was lost. And so it is now my task to dig up this knowledge and learn and show people what it is and share, and hopefully use it as a tool of self-promotion and self-knowledge and a tool of self-love. Okay. So we can love ourselves more, so we can love others more.
Okay, so you're an astrologer. You also do life coaching. So I see how those two marry and work together. How did you meet Andre?
I was fortunate to meet Andre, the revered, honored Jamaican artist, Laura Facey. And our friendship grew through the knowledge and art, just appreciation of art and Jamaican art, local art. Yeah. I believe in seeking out young talent. I'm a huge fan of people who know their thing well. They know their craft and they do their craft well. And I'm a fan of those people. And Andre is one of these budding talents that I think it's important to notice. So, and I was happy to collaborate with him, and I encourage him to launch out and broaden his horizons. And to my pleasure, he grew as a person personally and as an artist as well. And now he's launching other new stuff.
Yeah, well,
so with the mancala as well.
I see him holding the mancala board, which we're going to talk about with you guys in a little bit. But Andre, tell me a little bit about your friendship with Dalma and how that has affected or impacted your craft. We're looking at some of the things that you've done on screen. Yeah. We have some stuff here on set as well. Tell me a little bit about how this friendship has helped you.
It helped me a lot. She motivated me to push harder and see more things in me that I can do. So she pushed me to push out the work and make the mancala board. And there I post it up. She posted it up on Twitter, and people love it, and it inspired me to push harder in life. You know?
Yeah. How long you been doing art, Andre?
Learning about it quite a while, and it grew inside of me, and I eventually push out and do the right thing. Huh?
So did you have you always been doing it, or is this something you trained to do? Did you have the skill and you say, all right, let me go sharpen it up, or is this all just natural, raw talent that you're giving us?
Natural. Come
Wow.
natural. Yeah.
Wow. Amazing. What was working with Laura Facey like?
It was a great pleasure and a great honor and an experience and a educational.
Yeah. So, Brethren,
Yeah.
I see you have some slippers here. Shoes. Can we get a shot of the stuff on set? I want you to talk to me about this piece that is on the piece of wood here, Andre. What is this actually? What is it? Can you see it?
It's a wall art.
It's a wall art. Okay.
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay. So you just hang it. And but it
art,
also looks like something you could wear.
Hang it up. Yeah.
No, it looks like it could be like a stylish belt or obviously it could be multi-purpose. Yeah. Okay, so you learned to play mancala from Dalma.
Yeah.
And now you're making mancala boards. Yeah. Can you talk us through how to play it? Because Neville and I are going to play Dalma. Dalma, you and Andre help us. I'm going to head over to the table where Nev is. What's the aim of the game, Dalma?
The aim of the game is, so put the board between yourself.
Yeah.
And you have 6, you're supposed to have 6 smaller receptacles, right? So the one close to you, that's your row. And to your right, that is your own mancala. That's what you would call in Ludo home.
Okay.
Where you're going to aim to collect all the beads.
Okay.
The aim is for you to collect all the beads, the more beads, and also to prevent your opponent to collecting more beads.
Okay.
You can also steal from each other. So I know people are going to like this one.
Yeah, we do that regular. Well,
okay.
I do that regular.
So basically, the aim is for you to always land in your mancala exactly.
Okay.
And then you can then it's your turn again. So you can take up the one that has 4. That would be the smart move.
All right. You're going to go first, Nephi?
Yes, I am going to go first.
Okay.
Go
all right. Yes, that is the right move. Mm-hmm.
All right, so we go. Yeah, I took out 4. So. Then so.
I feel I'm never going to get a chance.
So Neville, the only way you come in, you're supposed to just do one round, and the only way you entitled to take up another round if you exactly land in your mancala.
It's true,
right?
Don't worry.
But I did.
Right?
You did not.
Right. I realized the style, you know.
But I did.
In teeth.
I did land in.
You hear what she said? I realized the style. She know you from long time. Long time. One more. Okay.
So hold on. So if I start here, you're watching, right?
I am watching. You're supposed to start
one round.
But one round, yes.
Right,
so count the 4 and try to aim that you land exactly in your mancala so that you can come again.
Go on.
Yeah. 2. So, right?
Then you have 1 left.
Yeah.
Right. So drop it.
Drop it, and then it's her turn again now. You did not exactly land there. Your last piece did not end there, so that's why you're not entitled to come out.
Okay. Okay, so I pick up and I go 1, 2, 3, 4.
There you go, Neville, turn again.
From where she stopped or over this side?
No, your side. You always do it your side.
Okay.
That is your side, and your aim is to collect. Now, if she's smart, she take up a place where you have 5 or 4 that you can exactly land in your mancala. So you can count how many beads you have in your hand. Or
I have 5 in my hand, Dalma, but they're not going to make me
land.
Very good. You're not going to make me land there. I'm going to end it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Aha! He's using. See, that's the aim. It's a very strategic game.
Thank you very much.
Neville is learning.
Thank you very much.
That's a lot. Sorry, Farhan.
I am the winner.
It's a lot of beads. Thank you, Dalma. We appreciate it. Thank you, Andre.
Thank
We
you so
appreciate
much
it.
for
Thank
having
What a
you.
us.
beautiful
Yeah.
friendship.
Thank you.
If people want to buy, bees are dropping from all over, I must tell you.
What's
If people want to buy mancala boards, where can we get them, Andre?
You can call me on 817-3916.
How much is
Alright.
it? How much is it?
What 10 grand I charge to make one,
Yes,
no?
sir.
All
How you
right.
mean? Talk
Yeah,
the
man.
things.
Yeah.
Alright.
Simon, that slippers, the brown one,
Yes.
is a ganja leaf slippers, you know.
Oh, where I say?
What kind of
Yeah,
slippers?
it's a ganja leaf.
Yeah,
But
man.
it can't smoke never. Alright.
Eh,
Thank you very much, guys.
Thank
Astrologer
you.
Dama
Same to you.
Thank you.
Kishignax and artist Andre Hudson. You better find yourself people them mob. Kadeen